Hi. It's time to learn about farm animals. Cow, pig, horse, sheep, goat, chicken, rooster, duck, goose, turkey, donkey, rabbit, pony. Again. Cow, pig, horse, sheep, goat, chicken, rooster, duck, goose, turkey, donkey, rabbit, pony. Again. Pony, cow, rabbit, horse, donkey, sheep, duck, rooster, goose, chicken, turkey, goat, pig. Practice. Cow, cow, cow. Pig, pig, pig. Horse, horse, horse. Sheep, sheep, sheep. Goat, goat, goat. Chicken, chicken, chicken. Rooster, rooster, rooster. Duck, duck, duck. Goose, goose, goose. Turkey, turkey, turkey. Donkey, donkey, donkey. Rabbit, rabbit, rabbit. Pony, pony, pony. Let's review. What farm animal is this? Sheep. What farm animal is this? Turkey. What farm animal is this? Pig. What farm animal is this? Rabbit. What farm animal is this? Chicken. What farm animal is this? Rooster. What farm animal is this? Pony. What farm animal is this? Cow. What farm animal is this? Goose. What farm animal is this? Donkey. What farm animal is this? Horse. What farm animal is this? Duck. What farm animal is this? Goat. Let's review. Which one is the rooster? This. Which one is the goat? This. Which one is the rabbit? This. Which one is the turkey? This. Which one is the sheep? This. Which one is the duck? This. Which one is the pig? This. Which one is the donkey? This. Which one is the cow? This. Which one is the goose? This. Which one is the pony? This. Which one is the chicken? This. Which one is the horse? This. Last review. Pony. Cow. Rabbit. Horse. Donkey. Sheep. Duck. Rooster. Goose. Chicken. Turkey. Goat. Pig. Good job. Bye.